He's like, oh, are you trying to attack me? You gotta make him do it. Dad, do it from over there.
Yes, turn out here. Turn out. Come on, turn your thing. Come on. You won't do it, look. Come on. You won't do it. Look.
Corey.
Pass it on. A message from the foundation.
He's like, what are you doing?
Do it now. He won't do it because you want him to do it. Look at eyeballing Carlos. He's like, what the hell is he doing? No. You get nervous. When you get nervous, he tries to fly.
He's like, I do not like pictures.
Just look at that thing he's pointing at me. Just what is this little freaky guy doing? Who the hell is he? What is he doing?
She's like, fucker. Oh, she doesn't know what to do. She's like, hey. Oh,